What if the swelling in your legs, the aching in your knees, and that heavy feeling when you walk had nothing to do with aging? What if your body was simply missing 8 foods sitting right now in your grocery store that it desperately needs to rebuild itself? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your plate the same way again. Here's what nobody is telling you. After 60, your body doesn't stop making collagen because you got older. It stops because you stopped giving it what it needs to keep going. And when collagen breaks down, everything follows. Your joints lose their cushion. Your skin thins and bruises. Your legs swell by the end of the day. And that strength you used to take for granted, climbing stairs, walking the dog, getting up without thinking, starts to quietly disappear. That's not aging. That's collagen starvation. And the supplement industry? They're counting on you not knowing the difference. There's no patent on a vegetable, no profit in telling you the truth. So they keep selling you pills while the real solution sits untouched in your refrigerator. Here's what actually works. We're going through 8 specific vegetables, ranked from powerful to extraordinarily powerful, that contain natural compounds proven to rebuild collagen, reduce leg swelling, and restore joint strength. And wait until you hear number 2. It's a vegetable that actually triggers collagen production while you sleep. Most people walk right past it every single week.
Let's start at number 8. And this one is probably in your fridge right now, doing nothing. Zucchini. It doesn't look like much. Soft, mild, easy to ignore. But if your knees feel puffy by the end of the day, or your ankles swell after a short walk, this is where you begin. Zucchini is rich in silica. Think of silica as the support beam your body uses to build collagen. Without it, collagen becomes weak and unstable. That's when you start feeling stiffness and seeing that slight sagging or puffiness. It also contains vitamin C, another key player your body uses to form new collagen fibers. But here's where most people go wrong. They overcook it. Too much heat destroys the very nutrients your body needs. Instead, keep it simple. Slice it thin. Roast it lightly with olive oil. Or better yet, eat it raw in a salad with lemon. Do this a few times a week, and many people start noticing less puffiness and fewer cramps at night. Small step, real impact.
Now, number 7, beetroot. If your feet feel cold at night, or you notice tingling in your toes, this is often a circulation issue. And without good circulation, collagen can't reach where it's needed. Beetroot helps your body produce nitric oxide. That opens up your blood vessels, allowing oxygen and nutrients to flow better, especially to your legs and feet. And that matters more than most people realize, because collagen repair depends on delivery. No circulation, no repair. But here's the mistake. Pre-cooked beets and overboiled beets lose much of this effect. Instead, shred them raw into a salad with lemon, or roast them gently with the skin on. Even 2 to 3 times a week can help bring warmth back into your legs and improve how they feel when you walk.
Number 6, carrots. You've probably eaten them for years, but after 60, your body uses them differently. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. And vitamin A is essential for activating the very cells that produce collagen. Without it, those cells slow down. That's when skin thins, muscles weaken, joints lose support. But here's the key detail most people miss. Carrots need fat to work. Without it, your body absorbs very little. Add a bit of olive oil, avocado, or even a touch of ghee, and suddenly absorption increases dramatically. Same food, completely different result. Eat them lightly cooked or raw with healthy fat, and over time, many people notice better stability and less swelling around the knees.
Number 5. Red cabbage. If your skin bruises easily or you're seeing more visible veins, this isn't just aging. It's often a sign your small blood vessels are weakening. Red cabbage is loaded with anthocyanins, compounds that help strengthen those vessels. Stronger vessels mean better nutrient delivery. Better delivery means better collagen support. It also contains vitamin K, which helps keep calcium out of your blood vessels and in your bones, exactly where it belongs. And that improves circulation even further. But again, preparation matters. Overcooking destroys these benefits. Keep it raw, slice it thin, add a little vinegar or lemon. Within weeks, many people notice less bruising and skin that feels a bit stronger, more resilient. Now, here's one most people avoided as kids. Number 4, Brussels sprouts. If your legs feel weaker than they used to, or your balance feels slightly off, this one deserves attention. Brussels sprouts are rich in vitamin C, but more importantly, they contain sulforaphane. This compound helps activate your body's natural repair systems. In simple terms, it tells your body, start rebuilding. That includes collagen. But don't overcook them. Keep them lightly steamed or gently roasted. Eat them a few times a week, and over time, you may feel more strength and control when you stand or walk.
Number 3. Spinach. If you deal with tight muscles or nighttime leg cramps, your body may be lacking magnesium. Spinach delivers it. Magnesium helps muscles relax and reduces inflammation, the kind that leads to swelling. But spinach does more. It also contains compounds that help slow down collagen breakdown. So while other foods help you build collagen, spinach helps you keep it. Best way to use it? Raw in salads, lightly steamed, or blended into a smoothie. Add a little lemon to help absorption. Simple habit, powerful effect.
Now this is where things get interesting. Number 2, Romanesco. Most people walk right past it in the store. Strange shape, unfamiliar, easy to ignore. But it's one of the most powerful vegetables for collagen support. Romanesco is rich in compounds that help your body detox and reduce the breakdown of connective tissue. In other words, it helps protect what you already have while supporting new collagen production. It also supports your liver. And when your liver works better, inflammation drops. When inflammation drops, swelling follows. But again, don't boil it. Light steaming or gentle roasting keeps its power intact. Give it a couple of weeks, and many people start noticing less pressure in their knees and lighter feeling legs.
And finally, the one almost nobody takes seriously. Number 1, parsley. Not the garnish, not the dried flakes, fresh parsley. This is one of the most concentrated sources of vitamin C you can eat. And vitamin C is the backbone of collagen production. No vitamin C, no collagen repair. But parsley goes further. It helps improve oxygen delivery in your body. More oxygen means faster healing. It also acts as a natural diuretic, helping your body release excess fluid. That alone can reduce swelling in your ankles and calves. Here's how to use it. Don't sprinkle it. Use it. Add a full handful to salads. Blend it into a simple sauce with lemon and olive oil. Toss it into meals right before eating. Raw is best. Do this daily, and within weeks, many people notice lighter legs, tighter skin, and less discomfort when moving.
So here's the real takeaway. This isn't about one miracle food. It's about giving your body what it's been missing. Because when your body finally has the nutrients it needs, it doesn't just slow down decline. It starts rebuilding. Quietly, gradually, but noticeably. And the best part? You feel it in your everyday life. Standing up feels easier. Walking feels more stable. Your legs feel lighter again. If even one of these foods stood out to you, start there. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just begin.
And if you want more simple, practical ways to keep your body strong and independent as you age, stay with me. There's a lot more coming.